My midterm project for advanced mechatronics. It is a camera security system that consists of a camera on a rotating platform that will detect motion, and when it detects motion, or actually sounds as well, it will take a picture and display it on the screen. There will be a user input through a tablet, for which we have a slider button here that determines the angle of rotation of the servo motor, which will in turn consequently rotate the platform on which the camera is standing. As we can see, when I click here, I can change the angle of the angle of the platform and decide what the camera is looking at. As far as sensors, we have ultrasonic sensor here and a sound sensor. And when either of the two detect either motion or sound, the camera will take a picture. And the user output is the screen. We have on the computer, we have the tablet, and we have television. We can see that there is a picture that pops up whenever the camera is taking a picture. As I've demonstrated, the camera can be turned using the slider, and we can see whenever I put an object in front of the sensor, the camera takes a picture, or whenever I actually make a sound, the camera takes another picture. We can change the rotation so this is a little easier to see. The camera has taken another picture because of the sound. And here's the code. It's actually composed of two parts. We have the main part is the part of the code that determines when a picture has to be taken and how long to display it for. The second part is the GUI that has been written to create the slider button to rotate the rotating platform. I have written this part using Tkinter library just to make GUIs for Python. And as far as the main code, I have to use OpenCV to make it possible for the camera to take a picture. And yes, so in summary, for the actuator, I have the servo motor, this component that determines the rotation of the platform. For sensors, I have two sensors, the sound sensor or the ultrasonic sensor that will detect when there's someone in the room, and so the camera will take a picture. For user input and user output, I have the screen. User input is the slider button here that can be used through the touchscreen of the tablet, and user output is the picture that pops up whenever the camera takes one. So that's my midterm project.